Well, good day. Today I'm going to show you how to make special characters like 50 cents. So everybody knows how to type a 5, everybody knows how to type a 0, but how do you type the cents sign? So you look around on the keyboard and you keep looking around on the keyboard and there is no cents sign on the keyboard. But I'm going to show you the way to type a cents sign. It's very easy. Look at that. There's two ways to type special characters and I'm going to show them both to you. The first one involves using the number pad and the Alt key. So the number pad, if you have one, is this big thing on the right hand side. In order to get it to work, you have to click the num lock. So the little light on top comes on, the number lock is on. Now if you don't have a number pad on your keyboard, if you're on a Chromebook or some other kind of computer that does not have a number pad, you cannot use this method. You're going to have to use method 2. But here's how you do it. You hold down the Alt key and you don't let go. And you tap out the secret number for the cents sign. And the secret number for the cents sign is 155. So you hold down the Alt key, you tap a 1, you tap a 5, you tap the 5 again, and then you let go of the Alt key. And then poof, you get it. So I'll type 25 Alt 155, let go. Hey, 25 cents. There's lots of Alt characters that you can use with the number pad. They will not work with the numbers across the top of the letters. That's not going to work. So if you have a number pad, you should definitely take advantage of that. Here are some shortcut keys for frequently used special characters. You should pause this video for a minute and write these down because we're going to be using these in our class. If you want to make an enye, like for piñata or jalapeno or Mr. Peña or Mr. Munoz, the number is 164. You hold down the Alt, you don't let go. You tap out 164 on the number pad and then you let go of the Alt. If you want to type an accent on the E like you're writing a resume, or you want to talk to your friend Renee or Cherie, they're going to be 130. You can make the half sign, and there's many ways to make the 1/2 sign, but one of them is Alt 171. 1/4 is 172, and if you just want to make a bullet in the middle of a sentence or the middle of a advertisement, you should do Alt 7. Now there's lots of them. There's hundreds of shortcuts to make special characters, and you could try some of them out. Try Alt 1 and see what that does. Try Alt 2 and see what that does. Try Alt 1-4 and see what that does. But no one expects you to memorize them all. But these are some you could put in your notebook. They're pretty useful. Now if you don't have a number pad, then you can't do it that way. So if you don't have a number pad on your computer, you can just go up to Insert, and under Insert it says Special Characters. Give it a click. Now there's 3 ways to search for special characters, and 2 of them are good and 1 of them is terrible. One of them is you just use your eyeball and go searching around trying to find what you're looking for. There are thousands and thousands of choices. You can say, I want to look at currency, and there's some currency. You can say, I want to go look at math. There's lots of math. You can say, I don't want a symbol. I want to get a number. You can go to punctuation. Say, I want to find dashes and connectors. And if you know where to search, this might be useful, but to me it's a waste of time to go searching. The second way is to type in a keyword. So the keyword might be cent. And then he says, oh yeah, I've heard of that before. It says here's the cent sign. So I'll type in the cent sign. Hey, there it is. Or you can type in 1/3. 1/3. And he says, oh yeah, I know what that is. 1/3. Or you could type in some keyword, like maybe you type in 7/8. 7/8. He says, oh yeah, I know 7/8. 7/8 right there. The third way to search for things is just to write them in. So if you can just draw pretty well, you can just do the little mouse like this and say, I want to try to find the enye that looks like this. He says, oh yeah, I know what you're talking about. It's right there. It's right there. And he puts it in. Now sometimes you draw things and he doesn't know any idea what you're talking about. You might try to type something like this. And he thinks you're writing Chinese or something. He has no idea. So a lot of times with fractions, it's better just to type in a keyword, 1/2. He says, oh yeah, I know what it is, 1/2 right there. And when you're done, you just do the x. Well, hey, that's about all there is to it.